Are you looking for a natural way to boost your immunity, stay healthy, and fight off colds and infections? In today's video, I will show you 7 powerful herbs and spices that not only protect your body but also improves digestion, reduce inflammation, and keep your energy levels high. Best part: these are ingredients you probably already have at home, and I will show you how to turn them into a simple immune boosting tea you can drink every day. So, let's start with the herbs, spices, their benefits, and how to use them. Ginger. Known for its warming effect, ginger improves circulation, reduces inflammation, and fights infections. It's great for soothing a sore throat and boosting digestion. The second one, garlic. Packed with compounds like allicin, garlic helps boost white blood cell activity, which protects your body against viruses and bacteria. The third one, turmeric, contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It helps fight free radicals, supports your liver, and strengthens your overall immune system. The fourth one, cinnamon, rich in antioxidants. It helps fight bacteria, balances blood sugar, and warms your body during cold seasons. And the fifth one is cloves, a strong antioxidant and antibacterial spice that helps clear toxins from your body and supports digestive health, which is key for immunity. Black pepper helps your body absorb nutrients, especially curcumin from your turmeric, and improves digestion. The seventh one is lemon. It is optional whether you can use or leave it, but it is a natural source of vitamin C. It supports your immune cells and keeps your body alkaline, which many believe helps fight infections. Okay, here is how to make your daily immune boosting drink. Let's see the dosage of the ingredients. The first one, 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger, 1 garlic clove, which is crushed one, half of a teaspoon of turmeric powder or fresh turmeric, 1 small stick of cinnamon, and 2 cloves, a pinch of black pepper, and a juice of half of a lemon. Not only this, but also 2 cups of water, and the one which is optional is honey, which is for the taste. Okay, here is the instruction. The first one, add water to a pot and bring it to a boil, and add ginger, garlic, turmeric, cinnamon, cloves, and black pepper to the boiling water. Let it simmer for 5 up to 7 minutes. Strain it into a cup. Once slightly cooled, add lemon juice and honey. Remember, don't add lemon and honey to the boiling water to preserve vitamin C. Drink this tea once a day, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach, or in the evening before bed. This natural tea is a simple, affordable way to strengthen your immune system, especially during a flu season. and whenever you feel low on energy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to my channel for more natural health tips, herbal remedies, and dye beauty care videos every week.